Absolutely outstanding, overwhelmed with the love that I've received. The ground is beautiful, the facilities are outstanding. The cricket we have seen is breathtaking at times, and there's only one way Nepal cricket is going, and that's going north. It is going to keep improving, keep progressing, and I keep saying actually that NPL is going to be Nepal's finest export to the world. It will become a part of Nepal's identity. It will be something that the whole country is going to celebrate and will feel a lot of pride in. So, just happy to be here.
आकाश भाई, क्या आने वाले टाइम में 4-5 सालों में हम देख सकते हैं कि साउथ एशिया में नेपाल दूसरी सबसे बेस्ट लीग बनने वाली है, क्वालिटी वाइज में भी क्वांटिटी वाइज में भी?
आई रियली होप एक्चुअली, और बहुत मुश्किल काम नहीं है टू बी फेयर. सी IPL इज IPL. आई थिंक वो वर्ल्ड की सबसे बेहतरीन क्रिकेट लीग ही नहीं है, वो इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट लीग्स अक्रॉस स्पोर्ट्स. सो दैट पोजीशन इज गोइंग टू बी IPL. पर सेकंड का स्पॉट खाली है.
एक्चुअली इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही पूछा आपने, क्योंकि जो हमारे बाकी पड़ोसी हैं उनकी लीग का स्तर जो है उसको तो पछाड़ा जा सकता है मुझे लग रहा है. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम हियर, पर देयर इज अ रियल पॉसिबिलिटी. अभी सिर्फ शुरुआत है, दूसरा ही साल है, पर जब आप वो डबल डिजिट के करीब पहुंचेंगे सालों में, तो द अमाउंट ऑफ पैशन दैट दिस कंट्री हैज़ फॉर द गेम, और जो कंफर्ट लेवल है लोगों का यहाँ आने का भी, सी यू हैव टू बेयर दैट इन माइंड एज वेल कि नेपाल इज़ अ कंट्री वेयर पीपल वांट टू कम एंड दे आर हैप्पी कमिंग. तो बिल्कुल व्हाई नॉट, इट कुड बी द सेकंड बेस्ट लीग.
What do you say about the Nepali cricket right now?
Well, the signs are good. There is, of course, a lot of scope for improvement, which will always be the case for an upcoming cricketing nation. But the signs that we have seen are promising, are exciting, and it's heading in the right direction. I think that's very, very important. The facilities will keep improving as more money comes into the game. And NPL plays a huge role, in my opinion, ensuring that you get world-class facilities, you get world-class infrastructure, the experts from the domain, and quality players, so you can rub your shoulders against the best in the world. So it is in a good space. Scope of improvement is always there, but it's heading in the right direction.
Any player who can make it into IPL right now?
See, Sandeep was there. Didn't get to play a lot of games. I think you'll need that mystery spinner. I like Malla. The way he bowled, he was very, very good. He's impressed, and there is always room for mystery spinners in T20 cricket. If he improves, of course, early days for him. But if he continues to improve, I think Malla would be the guy.
So how do you find Nepal talent of players?
Talent, I've answered actually. It's very nice. It's upcoming, it's growing, it's getting better. More kids are going to pick up the sport, like the sport, start playing the sport, seeing what we are seeing right now. Because a lot of times it's all about access. It's also about seeing your stars up close and personal. And that inspires a lot of new journeys to start. So really hope that this is that kind of moment, a watershed event in Nepal's cricket history.
How is
दर्शक को क्या करते हैं? दर्शक के लिए
हाँ जी.
IPL का दर्शक जो है यहाँ पे क्रेज समर्थन.
ओ समर्थन, अरे 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 बहुत ही शानदार है. मतलब मैं प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड हूँ एक्चुअली. माइल्डली हैरान हूँ कि लोग आते हैं, दोपहर को भी आते हैं यार, और डेड रबर वाले मैच वाले दिन भी आते हैं. जिस मैच में ऐसा लगता है कि कोई उम्मीद नहीं है किसी टीम के आगे जाने की, फिर भी आते हैं. तो जो प्यार है इस खेल के लिए इस देश में, और टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैं आया भी सिर्फ इसलिए, ये मेरा पहला विजिट है, पर यहाँ का खेल के लिए पैशन ये मुझे पर्सनली खींच के लाया है. और जो मैंने यहाँ देखा है, इट इज़ जस्ट वैलिडेटेड माई ओपिनियन अबाउट दिस कंट्री एंड द लव फॉर द गेम. पैशन इज अनपैरेलल्ड.
Will you cover this match in आकाशवाणी?
आकाशवाणी में आ रहे हैं सर, रोज आते हैं आजकल. मैं कल पशुपतिनाथ जी गया था, वो आज आकाशवाणी में आया है. तो आजकल आकाशवाणी में मैदान पे शूट होती है, तो बिल्कुल आएगा, ये वाला मैच भी आएगा. इसमें तो खैर पिटाई बड़ी कमाल की हुई है, बैटिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग हुई ना.
So you talk about hospitality, lot of time in your social media handle. Other than hospitality, what kind of message will you bring with yourself back home?
Oh, I'll say that please visit Nepal once. Again, I'm slightly sad that I'm visiting only Kathmandu and nowhere else. I want to actually visit the mountains also. तो मैंने पारस से बोला है कि next time I'll bring my family. So please take me to the mountains where the snow is. क्योंकि बहुत दूर दूर जाते हैं हम यूरोप में ढूंढ रहे होते हैं बर्फ को, पर यहाँ आने का एक अच्छा मौका है, तो I'll take back only happy memories. Yes, one more question, last one.
Can you make some Indian players to play in the NPL? Can you convince them?
See, retired players, Rishi Dhawan played and he actually did well yesterday, day before yesterday. He batted really well. So, Indian cricket does not allow our active cricketers to actually participate in other leagues. So, that is unlikely to happen for the time being. But whoever is retired, people are here, they are playing, and may it long continues.
Last question.
हाँ जी, आप
Nepal is going to play World Cup in all the
Correct.
matches in one
Correct.
day still. Is that open the door for the Nepali players for the IPL also if they perform there?
See, it always remains in your thoughts. IPL scouting is very, very robust. So, our scouts keep a very close eye on what is happening across the globe. And World Cup will be one such event which will be followed very closely. Nepal, of course, is playing all their games at the Wankhede Stadium. If they do well, certain players are going to grab the headlines and maybe a contract in the future. The auction will be done now. See, it's happening on the 15th of December. So next season is, World Cup will have no bearing on the next season, the upcoming season. But future is bright. So yeah, keeping your fingers crossed, things might actually go in that direction for the players from Nepal.
Prakash bhai,